Yo, what's going on, guys? And welcome back to another PC update video. Now, this is my first update, I guess. And I know I haven't done one of these videos in a while. Haven't done it since I got these two parts right here. But I just wanted to update you guys on what else I got. Alright, so we have the Strimmer Plus wires for the connectors and stuff. That go in, you know what these do. Alright. And we got 2 terabyte M.2 storage drive. On my laptop right there, I got 256 gigabytes of storage, which is not good at all. And 8 gigabytes of RAM. And as far as the memory goes, the RAM, we got 32 gigabytes of DDR4 Trident Z RGB RAM. And as far as the CPU cooler goes, we got the NZXT Kraken Z73. I'm excited about this one because it has an LCD screen on it. And also, we got the case, which is, I believe, the TD500 Mesh by Cooler Master. So yeah, got this thing right here. I got the Cooler Master logo right there. It is pretty exciting that we're finally gonna get to build this thing very soon here. I'm gonna have a video coming out eventually of me building this thing. So I bet you guys are looking forward to that. I think I'm gonna upload a video on it. I'm not sure yet. But of course we got our ports here, we got buttons and stuff. They're all very clicky. And you can see the fans in there too. You can see the Cooler Master fans in there too. Which is pretty cool. And you can see inside the case. This is so exciting, guys. Oh my god. All I need now is the power supply and the graphics card, and then I'll be ready to build this thing. So yeah, this is gonna be exciting. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace out, y'all.